Hey guys, it's me, Danyelle, back with another YouTube video. Oh my gosh, I know it has been like a minute. Like I've just been so like busy that I do not know how to handle like the whole like work, life, YouTube balance. So yes, it's been a minute, but I so definitely wanted to make this video for you guys. So I just got on my phone. I don't know like where my mic is. I don't know where my camera batteries are. So I'm like just recording this on my phone. So yeah, I just really wanted to get this video out for you guys, because like while I haven't been making videos, I've been able to like read your comments that like you guys have been posting, and that honestly is like such good encouragement to like to know that you guys are liking my videos that I've done. So I was like, I'm gonna make this video. So I'm back, so sit back. It's gonna be a minute, probably not, I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because we are almost at 800 subscribers, and I'm so hyped. I feel like we should do something. I don't know, like I might do something for Christmas. I don't know. So stay tuned for that. And be sure to subscribe, because you gotta subscribe to know what's popping. And follow me on social media. Yeah, I'll just put all that down below in the description box, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so today's video is gonna be like a super quick lock update, where I'm just gonna talk about like changes in my hair, what I've been using, because I've been using some new stuff. So let's get into that. All right, so my hair is okay, it's over a year. So a year. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So that's like what? Whew, math. Yeah, I'm really stumped. Shoot. 20 months. My hair is 20 months. Should not have been taking me that long to figure that out. But my hair is 20 months locked. So we're pretty much like locked at this point. Yeah, okay. First of all, it's not even down. So here's my hair. Look at this. Do y'all see this? So like in love with it. Like, so obviously it's grown. Like it's like brushing the collarbones inside. Like I don't actually know where the camera's right there, I think. Yeah. So it's like brushing the top of my shoulder. So I'm like so hype. So let's give you like views. Yes. Deal. Right? We see this? Yes. So that's my hair like right now. Obviously I'm not retwisting. Like I think in my last video my hair wasn't retwisted. I maybe retwisted like one time since then. One part of laziness, because retwisting does take a lot of time for me, and I don't want to like pay somebody to actually do it, because one, that's money, and I don't actually trust other people to do it. I'm pretty sure they're like trained professionals to do this, right? But I don't know. Anyway, so I haven't been retwisting. So what I've been doing is washing my hair and then like putting it in twists or like some type of thing, or just leaving it down, which is so cool. Like my hair like hangs down like because of the weight of the water, and it's like, oh, hang time. But yeah, so this is the hair. As far as changes in my hair, so it is winter. It's winter and I live in New York, and it's so cold. It's like really cold. So winter makes my skin like really pale and dry and cracky, and kind of the same happens for my hair as well. So like my scalp gets like really dry. Like I already got a dry scalp on like a regular day, so when it's cold it's like even worse. So what I've been doing to like help combat, you know, the overall dryness, to make it still feel like moisturized, is I've been using these products I'm about to share with you. So starting from like wash to styling, the very first product is this shampoo brush. Now this, I remember this from like back in like the OG natural YouTube days, when like they had like the shampoo brush and it would like vibrate and it would be like on your scalp, and I always wanted one, but I never got one because I didn't really see the point. But now, you know, we old, so we a little more bougie. So I was like, let me get a shampoo brush. And this actually really helps like stimulate my scalp while I'm like shampooing, to like really like lift up the gunk and dirt that might be in my scalp, because I feel like that might have been one of the reasons why I would have a lot of flakes, because I wasn't like effectively like removing that that barrier that's on my scalp, so when I like it dried, it would just still be on there. So this really helps like scrounge it up. Is that a word? Scrounge it up. I have been curious about like how this would work when I'm not washing, like as like a just regular scalp massage, because scalp massages do stimulate your scalp, you know, help produce healthy like hair particles, you know, it brings blood to your scalp and all that jazz. So I am curious. I haven't tried it out yet, but if I do, I will let you know. So this is the first product and I love it so much. It's definitely worth the purchase. I will put every item that I mentioned today in the description box below, and I definitely got this for Amazon for like cheap, so get it, it's worth it. Now after I'm done with my shower, I oil my scalp. Now oil is definitely something that's important for me because I have a dry scalp and I really want to like seal in, like make sure it's moisturized and all that. And I'm someone who like I need to oil like right after I wash my hair because I'm probably not going to do it ever again. Like I try to be good about like oiling like 2 to 3 times a week. It's not happening. Like it just doesn't happen for me because I don't have time to think about that. Like I'm not thinking about that, so it just like is what it is, and that's why I have wigs as well. So an oil like this has been like essential for me. This is the hair growth oil from We Are Crowns. Y'all remember my video from a couple videos before where I reviewed some products from their line? So I would definitely pick up this oil. It's a little bit, if you're someone who likes a light oil, like you like reapplying like multiple times in a week, then I wouldn't recommend this. But if you're someone like me, like especially for the winter where like I need like a really good oil sealant and I don't want to have to like do it again a week, like I'll do it once a week, definitely pick this up because it is a little on the heavier side, but it would like effectively oil your scalp. Like I want to say I washed my hair maybe last Saturday. No, that's a lie. I washed my hair a little over a week ago, and when I oiled my scalp here and I haven't seen any flakes since, and it's been over 7 days. So this is really good, really good. And of course, don't forget to use my code Queen D for 20% off your order of $30 or more. So you know it's the season of giving and holiday spirits, so pick one up for you, pick one up for your mom, pick one up for your girl, pick one up for your friend, and use my code. You know, help me in this holiday spirits, you feel me? Up next we have these things. So aloe vera is pretty much like the holy grail of all things moisture and healthy living, I guess. Like I haven't personally drank aloe vera or anything like that. I haven't ingested it, period. But I know it's great for my hair. So I use this George's Always Active Aloe, 100% aloe vera, fractionally distilled liquid from aloe vera leaves. There's like literally no particular reason why I use this one aside from it's just the one that I know. So I would recommend any aloe vera liquid that you could find. I'm pretty sure that's fine as long as it like is 100% aloe vera and it doesn't have an ingredients list. Like, because if it has an ingredients list, it's like, why are you putting other stuff in here? Like, I just wanted 100% aloe vera, you liar. So yeah, I would recommend 100% aloe vera liquid, whatever. So I use this, and then I have another OG natural YouTube thing here. Wow, what happened? It looks like a trash, but it's not. This is a continuous misting spray bottle. So what I do is I obviously fill this up, and like every day, like after I do like my face or whatever, I like mist my hair with this. So like I literally like mist it, and yeah, that's what kind of like makes it like healthy and like moisturized. And it's literally like you're watering a plant. Like your hair is a plant, like it needs moisture and like care to grow. So this is great. The only thing is though, so I got this for the low on Amazon, of course, But when I thought continuous, like I literally thought like you would like hold this down and it would be continuous, but like you hold it and obviously it stops. So I think the continuous spray is just from like as long as you hold this down, but then it will run out. So that sucks, but like it still gets the job done. So I would highly recommend this, and of course it will be down below in the description box. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. See, it was short, right? It was short. So I'm so glad I got to make this quick video. Thank you guys to have been subscribing and commenting. Like that really makes me so encouraged, and I love reading your comments. So keep commenting, keep asking me all your questions. Don't forget to follow me on social media at I am Elises. Like I'm definitely on there. If you guys have any other questions to ask me, you know, keep following me, keep, you know, asking me all your questions. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.